this right quick. Let's get to this right quick. Baby, when we're grinding, I get so excited. Baby, when we're grinding, I get so excited. Ooh, how I like it. Ooh, how I like it. Ooh.
It's 12:51 in the morning. Okay, it's 12:51 in the morning. I just want to let you guys know that. Okay, but our package is here, and it's been like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks with the package is here. You know what I'm saying? We about to react. Why did I just say that? Why did I say we was about to react? We're about to unbox these sneakers, as you can see by the title of this video. What is good? Shit. Yo, I just put a hole in this. I deadass just put a hole in. Yo! That's crazy. What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King coming back at you with another freaking YouTube video of Blunts and Souls. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications. What's up for the one time? So we about to unbox these Jordans right quick. One time for the one time. You already know I'm not like a super sneaker guru, so we're gonna just check out the sneakers, see how fly they are. You're gonna give this video a big thumbs up. You're gonna comment down in the comment section below, and that's gonna be it. Make sure you guys are following my main channel and my vlogging channel and your podcast channel, and yeah, that's it. I've been waiting for these Jones for 2 weeks. I thought they was gonna come in one box, but they didn't. So that's cool. You already know, sponsored by Go. Not sponsored. Check. These are fire. I cannot wait to put these on my feet, bro. Do you see these Jones, bro? Ooh-wee. See, what I don't like all this manufacturer stuff. Look at this. I don't like this. This, all of this, no. It's glue from the sneaker. So it's okay. But this is suede. Oh my god. This is fire. We got the Jordan 1 mid multicolored Jones. Do you see these shoes? These shoes are fire AF, bro. Look at this. Like, this, it's like suede right here on the red. Almost suede right here. It's mad glue on the sneaker, and I'm not really feeling that. I'm not feeling that. The fact that it's mad glue on the sneaker. Any hush. But other than that, shoes looking icy. Mad multicolor. You got a gold. You got a red. You got a purple. You got a turquoise red. Look at the feet. Feel me? Yeah. Yeah, these right here. Hello. New classic shoe. This is it. Oh my god, I love these. Look at the shoe. This right here, got the turquoise right here. Fire. Let me try them on. See if they fit. Nice fit. I'm a little ashy. So don't, yo, I'm mad ashy. I'm not a little ashy. I'm mad ashy. Alright, we're gonna just focus on the shoe and not my legs, okay? Right here. See that? Cause I'm ashy, bro. I'm ashy. That's crazy. Time for an on-foot review. Alright guys, so if you was feeling this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. One time for the Jordan 1 multicolor. These is it. I love these shoes already and I just got them, man. You already know what it is. And make sure you guys subscribe to my podcast, my vlogging channel, and my main channel. Peace, love, and happiness, and make sure you guys stay black.
Like you, because I'm high now. Let's go.